This video guides you how to effectively utilize the Help Desk Assistant. This agent helps Help Desk managing ticket assignments across 5 predefined categories. Initiate a conversation with the Help Desk Assistant by clicking on Start Chat. Enter the query request for further operations. This agent has pre-set up 5 categories. The following sections will introduce each category one by one. Specify your request. Here we send multiple devices request in one query. Based on the rule, the agent cannot handle the ticket assignment, which contains multiple issues. It will tell you the category and remind you not ask multiple questions in one request. Provide the details of the single request. For single issue, the agent will complete the assignment as shown. Detail and send the network issue. This agent will handle ticket assignments and tell you the assignee and category. Provide the description of the inquiry. This time we fill a general inquiry. Continue giving the response to remind user this ticket has been assigned to dedicate assignee for follow-up. Detail the inquiry related to WISE, such as the operations for specific feature. Give the feedback and prompt user to create a ticket in Jira for WISE support team to follow. Specify the issue related to IT support, such as the laptop cannot work normally. Return the response after completing assignment. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Help Desk Assistant.